And now breaking news in the fiber optics industry. The rapidconnect Cat6 ultra thin patch cables are the copper cabling solution, connecting components like routers, servers, and switches. Quick and easy switching makes it ideal for high-density environments or complicated installs. The ultra-thin design saves valuable server space and assists in creating a more comfortable environment during maintenance operations. As the rapidconnect Cat6 ultra-thin patch cables have a thin design, they improve airflow within servers, therefore reducing the risk of downtime. The rapidconnect Cat6 ultra-thin patch cable design also reduces server clutter for superior cable management and are available in a range of colors and lengths upon request. So, if you wish to get more information about the rapidconnect Cat6 ultra-thin patch cables, visit Anderson's website shown below. Thank you.